This is Kosho. I'm getting down. I'm at the field. I'm at Choyas, you know it. This is Kosho with an airplane, where it all began. Till you can fly an airplane, you can't fly shit. This is a Pilot Extra 330 SC from Pilot RC USA. Weighs 8.8 pounds. Kosho setup, of course. Pull out of that bad boy. Fly it like a heli, like you stole it. I'm gonna say, Kosho, how you do it? Well, I've been flying airplanes for about 32 years. And from there, became helicopters. My dad's a Vietnam veteran. And he's the guy that set up those helicopters to win your war. So, listening to my dad, I learned all about collective pitch and cyclic management. But he's always liked watching me fly airplanes. I really like airplanes. They teach you 1, 2, 3, guys. Space your maneuvers with your helicopters. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
1 minute.
That's how you do it with a 67-inch airplane. On a Spectrum A6300 servos, a Spectrum blah 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 AS3X receiver,
20 seconds.
And some Napa know-how. There you go. GoPro, stop recording.